Welcome to our channel. If you want to use Snapchat Map to find your friends or manage your location privacy with Ghost Mode, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app and go to the camera screen. Pinch the screen with 2 fingers or swipe down to access the Snap Map feature. Step 2. The map will display your current location along with the locations of friends who have chosen to share their location with you. Bitmojis represent each person on the map. Step 3. Tap on a friend's Bitmoji on the map to see their exact location when they were last active, and any snaps they have posted to their story from that location. Step 4. Use the search bar at the top of the map to find specific friends by typing their username. The map will zoom to their location if they are sharing it with you. Step 5. To manage your own location sharing, tap on the settings gear icon in the top right corner of the Snap Map screen. Step 6. Select Ghost Mode to hide your location from all friends. When Ghost Mode is enabled, your Bitmoji will not appear on anyone else's Snap Map. Step 7. Alternatively, choose to share your location with specific friends by selecting My Friends Accept or Only These Friends. This gives you granular control over who can see where you are. Step 8. Remember to update your Ghost Mode settings whenever you want to change your privacy preferences. You can toggle Ghost Mode on and off at any time to control your visibility. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.